We've arrived in Germany at Mindelheim, the home of Grob. This is one of the largest facilities for building machine tools in Europe. Lewis, it's very unique at Grob because what we're looking at here is a full FMS system of your own machines making parts for your modular machines. Why does that benefit you?
That's correct, Mark. We always make our machines with our own machines. As you can see here, we've got 4 portable machines, the GP 2050 for large prismatic parts, a wash machine connected to the FMS system, and a kitty cart train system taking parts in and out. The benefit is we keep control of our production in-house, and we know the quality of our machines because we prove them out on our own products before they go to the market.
Now, looking at what is in front of us at the moment, obviously you're having castings coming in and you're making the base of the machine here, are you?
Yes, correct. So castings come in, fabrications come in, and all machining is done in-house at Grob on Grob machines.
Lewis, now we've just seen the FMS system. Obviously you've got some smaller parts here, but could you explain the system that you've got in place here?
Yes, so this is a palletised system, over 100 pallets within the system, 3 setting stations, 4 G515 machines, machining small parts, pallets for our modular assembly of machines. The benefit to this system is we run it 3 shifts, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, lights out production, as many companies are trying to do now in the UK. We've got the experience and we feel we've got the technology to support that.
When you look at the type of systems that you've put in place here, I know obviously it gives you an advantage to keep control, but the type of machines that you're actually manufacturing here, are they bespoke to Grob?
Yes and no. With Grob in the automotive industry, we've got very, very deep experience with special purpose machines as well as our standard machines, so we can look at any application and put a machine to it. And we also do that with our production as well, so we've got some certain areas of production that need special purpose machines for better cycle times, better throughput, and if we see an opportunity to develop that machine, we will in-house for our own production as well.
And do you think that makes you unique, certainly in Germany?
For sure, yes. Yeah, we know the best way to manufacture our own machines, so we develop the systems to do that.
Lewis, this is another part of the process of actually making the frame of the actual machine. Can you explain to me what's on the G750s here?
Yes, again, it's our larger universal machine, the G750, that gives a 1280mm diameter workpiece. This system, pallet system again, 60 pallets, 2 setup stations. Each setup station's got the screens above giving operator instructions how to load parts, how to fixture parts. And in each machine we've got additional tool magazines, 275 additional tool magazines in HSK 100. Again, the idea is lights out production of our larger parts.
Now, when you're considering actually using the machines in the group to actually manufacture the modular machines, what is the process of actually choosing the right machine or making the right machine?
Yeah, obviously we've got a portfolio of machines and a size of part requirements, and we just suit the size of the part to the machine requirements. Is it an aluminium part that needs a smaller HSK 63 spindle with a higher RPM, or like here it's a heavier material, a harder material where we need a HSK 100 spindle with a higher torque?
I know this gives you complete control, as you've mentioned before, and obviously with the FMS system and the pallet systems that you've actually got here, are you actually manufacturing your own parts 24/7?
Correct, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, unmanned production, lights out.
Incredibly, at the end of the process of making your own parts for your own machines on the Grob, you've got your best-selling machine in 2018, the G350. Now, tell us a little bit about this last process here.
Yes, this is more smaller parts, more finite, intricate parts. We're using less automation, more single pallet machines, doing higher accuracy parts, basically, Mark.
When you sum up, Lewis, in reference to using your own Grob machines to make your modular Grob machines, what are the main facts, the main benefits?
The benefits to us, we've got vast knowledge of our own machine in the machining processes. We always put machines new to the market in our own shop first before they go to the market, so we're 100% clear that the machine is ready for mass production at customers' sites.
And when you bring customers here to the TAS Centre, for instance, and knowing what you have that sits behind i.e. using your own machines to make your modular machines, it must give you a lot of confidence.
Yeah, we're very confident in the machines, we're very confident in the processes, so all the Industry 4.0 technology and software that we're bringing out, we're using here as well. So we don't just do the machines, we do the whole package, and we test the whole package first in our own production.